Hello there, guys. Welcome back to this Revit tutorial guide for beginners. Yes, I hope you are well, and to those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any important videos, and don't forget to like our videos. Don't forget to share them as well with your colleagues. Yes. Alright, so today I'll be taking you through navigation in Revit. How do we navigate through a project in Revit? Alright, so I have my little project open there. Okay, in the last tutorial I showed you the drawing area, the project drawing window, which is this here, with this window here. Alright, so I have my level 0 open there, and I will be showing you how you navigate that. Okay, so in the first part of the video, I will show you how you navigate in 2D. Then in the second part of the video, I will show you how you navigate in 3D. Alright, so let's get into it. If you look at that project window which is open there, at the top right corner here, there is this bar, this little bar here, which is divided into two, which is divided into the steering wheel and the zoom in options. So this thing here is for navigation in 2D. Alright, so if you click that little X there, you click that little X, you close that bar, and you won't see it again. You won't see it again on your screen unless you go to the View tab, go to User Interface, and tick on Navigation bar. There, you're seeing it again. Easy, right? Okay, so the top part of the bar is this 2D steering wheel. If you click on that 2D steering wheel, it now follows the cursor of your mouse. If you move it around, it does that. Alright, so that 2D steering wheel is divided into two regions there. The core, this central core, which is divided into two as well. So there is zoom for the upper half of the core and rewind for the bottom half of the core. And this outer shell is for panning, right? Easy, right? And the X is for cancelling that, and this is for opening more options there. If you go there, there is fit to window, there is help, you can get help on how to use that. There is options. If you go on options, then there is close wheel. On options there, if you go click on options, you can change some settings here. The size of the steering wheel, you want a small, large, normal. If you are concerned about size, that's where you can go there. Then there is opacity. You can change the opacity to what you want. You can minimize and change there. Let's not worry much about that. You have to change to suit what you want there. Okay, so we go back. We will start with zoom. How does zoom work? So you put it where the steering wheel, you put it where you want to zoom in. Then you click on zoom, and then you hold your left mouse button. Then you move. If you move to the left, you are zooming like that. If you move out, you zoom in. You see? If you move to the left, you zoom out. If you move to the right, you zoom in. And the center of your zoom is where that mouse is. You see? That mouse cursor is. That's where the center of zoom is. Then there is pan. Let's skip rewind for now and go to pan. We have our pan there. So you just click on on that pan region, and you start moving around whilst you are holding your left mouse button. So you click your left mouse button and you hold, then you start moving around and place your project where you want your pan through your project, like that. Easy, right? I know it's easy. Okay, then there is rewind. What does rewind do? Rewind is for rewinding the movements we have done. Okay, we have zoomed in, we used our zoom, like that, we are zooming. We used our pan, like that, we are panning through the project. And then now we want to rewind. Just click on rewind and hold. Then now there are those movements we have made. The zooming, if you see here, there is that zoom, you see? There is that zoom. Then now there is that pan, you see? There is the panning. So rewinding and just rewinding the moves you just did. Easy, right? Okay, so now we are done with the steering wheel there. You click that little X and you close it. Then we move to the bottom half of the 2D navigation bar. So you click on that little arrow on the bottom of that thing. It's saying zoom in region. What is a zoom in region? So if you click on that, you see what happens. The mouse changes to that magnifying mirror, right? So here you're selecting a region you want to zoom in into. Let's say you have a big project, you want to zoom into a region. So on this little project of mine, let's say I want to zoom in on that door there. So you can drag and draw a rectangle on that, and then you release, then it zooms into that door, you see. So there are other options there. If you click back, there is that zoom out twice. It zooms out twice, you see. Then there is, you click that back as well, there is zoom to fit. If you zoom to fit, now you want to fit back the project. It fits on the view. Then if you click there, there is zoom to sheet size. So alright guys, so that's it about the navigation bar. There are other options you can use as well for navigation. So there is the mouse wheel. The mouse wheel. So your mouse wheel, you can use it for zooming and for pan as well. So if on your mouse wheel, scroll forward, you're zooming in. Scroll backward, you're zooming out, like that. Yes. So click the mouse wheel and hold it. Click the mouse wheel and hold it, then move around. You're panning, like that. You're panning now. Okay, so there are shortcuts as well. There is ZA. If I hit ZA, it fits back, it zooms back. If I hit ZZ, it gives back that zoom region. So now I can draw there and it zoom there. Then if I click ZA, it fits back. Everything fits back on the window. ZZ, my zoom region, then I zoom on that corner. ZA, it gets back, like that. So those are zooming tips I had for you guys. That's how you navigate on a 2D. That's 2D navigation for you. I thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a video you get notified and you don't miss out, guys. Thank you. Drop your comment as well. Drop your comment and let's have a chat on the comment section. Thank you guys. See you in the next video in 3D navigation. Thank you.